It's the World Cup. So for this week's podcast on English.com, we're talking about football.
Yes. But not the game. We're talking about the football kit, the clothes.
Now, Richard, red is a very popular colour.
Yes. Spain are all in red. They have red shirts, red shorts and red socks.
With yellow numbers.
Yes. Wales have red shirts, red shorts and red socks.
With white numbers.
Yes. And also Switzerland and Denmark as well. It's a strong colour.
Yeah, because South Korea are also all in red, but they have black numbers.
Another colour that's very popular is all white.
Yes, Ghana have an all-white kit, don't they? Other teams have all one colour too.
Yes, blue obviously. The USA are all in blue.
No Italy this time.
No. And of course the Netherlands, they're all orange. Orange shirt, orange shorts and orange socks. Very nice.
I think the countries that have three colours are nicer. Both Brazil and Australia have yellow shirts, but Brazil have blue shorts and white socks.
Yes, but Australia have green shorts with white socks. And also Cameroon and Mexico both have green shirts.
Yeah, Cameroon have red shorts and yellow socks, but Mexico have white shorts and red socks.
But no interesting patterns, really. I mean, Argentina, of course, have blue and white stripes, which I really like.
Yeah, and Germany has one black stripe on the front of the white shirt.
Yes, and of course, Croatia, they have lots of small red squares. That's very exciting.
Because their flag is exciting. The English flag is red and white, but the English kit is very boring, white with some blue.
Yes, and France, they are red, white and blue, just like their flag. I like that as well.
The Portuguese kit has a diagonal line across the front and back in red and green. Quite modern. So, Richard, your favourite, please?
For me, the Brazilian team.
Oh, really? Because?
The yellow and the blue look great together. And so, Jackie, what about you?
The Cameroon team. I just think they are so colourful, so exciting and lots of fun.